The ultimate Jetcostcom review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. Travel can be expensive, and that's exactly why flight comparison websites exist. Platforms like Jetcost promise to find cheaper options and save you money, but most people click the first price they see and hope for the best. Here's how to level up from traveler to pro deal hunter in just 1 minute. The surprising truth about flight searches is that the lowest number on your screen isn't always the real final price. Some listings look cheap at first but add fees later. Your goal is not just finding a low base fare, but the best total value. Here's your 0 to pro checklist. Step 1. Run several searches with flexible dates. Just 1 day difference can save a lot. Step 2. Click through to the actual airline before booking. Double check the final cost, baggage rules and seat charges. Smart users always confirm. Next, compare at least 2 different comparison sites. No single tool has every flight every time. If you only look in one place, you might miss a great deal hiding next door. Most people forget to filter by airports. A nearby airport could offer a huge price drop. Always check the options if travel time allows. Another pro move: check reviews of third-party ticket sellers that appear in results. Some agents deliver great service, others, not so much. If the name looks unfamiliar, research before paying. Travel should feel exciting, not stressful. With simple habits and clear thinking, you'll book smart and enjoy your trip from the moment you hit search. More fast travel wisdom is on the way. Let's keep exploring smarter together.